Type your text. Press Alt and drag the text down to duplicate it. Press Ctrl+D to repeat this. Select all the text. Go to Window, Symbols. Drag the text to the Symbols panel. Export type, graphic. You can remove the text now. Select the ellipse tool. Create a circle. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials. 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Adjust the settings to 0, 90, 0 degrees. Adjust the extrude depth until it's wide enough. Select Map Art. Select Surface 3 of 3. Select the symbol with the text. Rotate the text. And adjust the position. Adjust the perspective to your liking. Surface, no shading. If you select Map Art, you can still adjust the size and position of the text. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Illustrator text effects.